Ladies and gentlemen, Whitley Green. Hi guys, welcome back. One word today, and that word is neglect. Look at this backyard. Look at all the weeds. Terrible. Got a lot of rain. A lot of rain. It's been coming down, and the rose bush took a hit. Finally took a hit. Should have put some support under it. Now look, it's gone. It was leaning. Didn't think much of it. Turned the sprinkler on. Left it on too long. And next thing I know, this thing snapped. So it's gone. All that hard work for nothing. Over here, gonna remove all the marble chips. Marble chips will be gone. You know the rose bushes have been moved. That one is gone. And this one over here is gone too. Let's take a look at the lilies since we're out here. And like I told you before, after a couple weeks, those petals, they just wither away. That's why I put the lilies in this area. I like the foliage, but there's not a whole lot more going on after that. Lilacs, they look good. I don't think we'll get much more than this though. And that's okay. I'm completely fine with it. Or maybe it's me. Maybe it's something I'm doing wrong. Plant experts. Should I cut them down in hopes that they send up new energy and new petals? Let me know. Leave your comments below. All right, marble chips are out of here. I will recurve the bed. Plan on bringing it out more. We'll see how that goes. This will be a lot different. We'll level the ground. It's too bumpy and lumpy over here. So I have to do something about that. So it will be leveled best way I can do it. And I'll bring a curve over here. It's going to look nice. I know this looks horrible now, but give me some time. Trust me. One thing I don't worry about is this rose bush. It always does well. Look at how this weed has grown. My God, it's time to do some work. You know what, guys? It might be time to invest in more weed and grass killer. You know what I mean? Hold on, guys. Hold on. I don't want to give you the impression that I'm panicking. See, already makes the world of difference just pulling those weeds up. Blue lavender, I'll move it somewhat to the center over here. Already marked the spot. It's just too close to the little lime hydrangea. Over here, same traffic. I'll just move over the super blue. You didn't know that was a super blue lavender. It is. There's the spot. It smells great. Love it. You guys probably think I come up with excuses to use my tools. Not true, not true at all. Wait a minute, there's nothing I can do now. Look at this bee. I think we're gonna let this bee have this little victory right now. I got stung years ago. It wasn't pleasant. I don't think it was by that particular bee or some other bee, but trust me, you don't want to get stung by those things. You will feel it. What do you guys think? Be honest. Open up the space, didn't it? Just like I told you. Easy on the eyes. Easy on the eyes. Got the marble chips up. I got a lot going on, don't I? So much to do, so little time. Over here, same thing. You know what the issue is? When you plant this stuff, it's small when you get it. Then it grows, and next thing you know, it's overlapping your existing plants. I think I'll move that hydrangea up. Okay, I'm getting it together. I told you I'm going to curve this bed, redo it. A lot of work, but I'm up for it. Look at what we have here. A piece of my super blue lavender came off when I moved it. You know what I'll do? I'll put this in a bucket. Roots look good, so I'll put this in a bucket in hopes to preserve it. Maybe it'll grow, and if it does, next year, I'll put it in the ground. I plan on doing that more and more. Jesus Christ. You know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns too. Bye.